Hi, I'm Naomi and this is my husband Gabriel, and we built the Liberty 23 with Boutique Homes in Armstrong. We wanted to build because we were renting for so many years and figured I'd rather pay off my own home than someone else's home. We heard about Boutique Homes through word of mouth. We had some friends that had built with Boutique, and every display home we walked through that we loved turned out to be Boutique. The process of building our home was really smooth. We started off with meeting with our new home consultant. We didn't know exactly what we were after, and he provided us all the options. When he mentioned the elements package, it stood out to us because we're still getting a premium boutique product, but it fitted into our budget really well. It had that flexibility with our finances to be able to get exactly what we were after, but more affordable.
To be able to have that extra money to, one, furnish the place, but also afterwards to be able to live life, be able to go out to the nice restaurants in the area, be able to travel in life and do all of those things that you want to do. The building process with Boutique has been extremely good. The whole way from the start to the end finished product has been extremely smooth. Everything was to our expectations and beyond.
I would definitely recommend the elements package to anyone looking at getting a home. We love the whole experience from start to finish with Boutique, going through the process with our consultant to having the keys and stepping into our own home.